Hey guys, welcome back with me again in this channel. On today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how can you edit a pie chart on Google Docs. So in here, I've already opened a Google Docs file with pie chart on it. So this pie chart is actually created on Google Sheets. So when I try to edit this chart, I cannot do it directly on the Google Docs. So I need to click on the three dots icon in here to see the chart option. And I need to open the source first to be able to edit the pie chart. So after that, the Google Sheets file where the original pie chart is will be opened in here. Okay, so this is the pie chart, and let's say I want to edit it. So you can just click on a pie chart and click on the three dot icon and tap on edit the chart. So when you tap on that, okay, the options will be open. Wait a second. So click on edit the chart. Okay, this chart editor will be open, and here you can make your edits. You can make some changes or modify the uh chart in here. So let's say I want to customize it. I want to customize the chart style. I'm going to change the background color into yellow, for example. Here, the chart border into white, and here you can also edit the pie chart. So if you are done with the edit, you can just close it again. Then you can go back to the Google Docs, and here to update or to see the changes, you need to click on this update button. And after that, the changes will be updated. Your Google chart will be updated. So that's all for me. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Also click on the thanks. Bye.